Hello, Chill Computer Guy. We're about to be in Propellerhead Reason 10. We had a very minor point upgrade the other day, and what Propellerhead Reason gave us was a brand new splash screen, which is, for me, super exciting. It's a cool looking splash screen too. It has like a vintage vibe to it. Let's go ahead and take a look here. There it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take a little bit more of a look at it there. There it is, the brand new splash screen. Super nice looking splash screen. Short and sweet, that's all I got today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, tell a friend about the channel, and we'll see you guys again. Bye-bye now.